about editable template, but before that we will discuss what does it mean by the template. Okay, in AEM we have static template and editable template. Okay, rarely we use static template, but mostly we'll use an editable template. So when we'll create a project, that time automatically pages is created by using the editable template. Okay, but we need to know and layout, or you can say it's a markup, okay, for creating a page. So if you want to create a page, we have only one option, that is template. Without template we cannot create a page. Okay, and after that it defines the structure of the resultant page. So like this is the, consider I'm just opening a amazon.com. Okay, so this is the amazon.com, it's a resultant page. Okay, so this is the structure it has defined in the template, that's why it is showing like this. Okay, now this structure it has already created in the template, and using that they have created this website. This is the page they have created. Okay, and it is associated with the page rendering component. That means in our static template we have a static template. In that case we need to associate it page with template. Okay, in editable template we will not associate. Okay, so we'll see the difference. Okay, what is the difference, why we are using a editable template? So first of all, here development involved, that means static template creates only the developer. Okay, but here in the editable template, template author creates the and update the template. Okay, here we have a role of the developer, here we have a role of the editable template, that means template author. See, if I am trying to create a page template, that means I am a template author. If I am trying to create the content, that means I am a content author. Okay, yeah. After that, in the static page, in the static template, once you are creating you are adding a component, you can create and delete that component. Okay, you can easily change and you can delete it. But when we are talking about the editable template, it has a privacy. If you want, you can delete it. Okay, so component should be unlocked, then only you can delete, otherwise you won't. Okay, this component should be unlocked, otherwise you cannot delete it. Another thing, here we have a this static templates and the pages retain the static connection. Okay, template, what I'm saying, template and the pages retains the static connection. That means now consider, here you have a template. This is the static template. What is static template? Okay, and here I have a page. By using this static template, this is the static template, I have created 1000 pages. Okay, I have created 1000 pages by using this static template. Now I need changes in this 1000. Okay, maybe after 1 year, after 2 years, I need a changes. No, I need changes in these 1000 pages. So if I try to change something in my static template, these changes will not reflect to this, to this 1000 pages, because it retains the static connection. Okay, once you have created, that's it, it won't change them. If you want to change, you have to go inside the page and there you have to change it. But now here we have a editable template. Okay, and consider the same 1000 pages we have here. Okay, and now I want to change 1000 pages or the 500 pages, then you can simply change in the editable template. So it returns the dynamic connection. So whatever you will change inside this editable template, all these things will reflect to this, in this 1000 pages. Okay, but in this static template, if you want the changes to be reflected, then you have to create a page newly. Okay, again you have to create a page newly, then only you can see the changes, otherwise you won't. This is the thing. And at the last here, so basically this static template use a design, one dialog we have, design dialog, so it will use this design dialog. Okay, and inside this design dialog only it will store all your component related permission. Okay, all your page related permission or the component related permission, it will store inside this design dialog only. But in this editable template, we have a policies. So we use a policy. So policies we have a two types. First one is a page level, okay, and the second one is a component level. second one is a component level. So two types of policies. Editable template, but before that, here we have the initial structure and the policies. So inside this policy, we know that we'll store the component level permissions and the component and page level permission. So these two types of permission will store here. So we'll see how we can create it first. Come here. Here we have options, general, and you will see here, yeah, configuration browser. Now why I am going, we knows that whatever we are creating inside this configuration browser, it will store in our conf folder. Is it? Inside the conf folder only it will store, no? Okay, so why I have came here, and what is the use of this configuration browser? So it will give you the folder structure easily. There is no need to create it manually. Okay, it will automatically provide. So you can just simply need to create a folder structure. That's it. What we want to create now? For this editable template, we are creating the folder structure. Okay, so here you can mention it anything. So here I am just mentioning demo. Okay, yeah, demo, that is okay. Demo search I am just mentioning. Okay, editable template and just simply create it. Now we have created demo dash search. You can come here inside the CRSD, and we know that where it will store, conf folder. So go inside the conf. It's not there. Just right click and refresh it. Yeah, this is the demo search. See, we have created only this folder, but it has automatically created this child folder. See here, settings, WCM. Here we have a template, policies, and the template type. Okay, so now we need to know. So for creating a template, if you want to create a template, you need a template type. What you need? Template type. Without this template type, you cannot create the editable template. That's it. We can say this is the editable template. Internally they are using a static template only. Internally they are using a static template only, and here they are just defining all the structure, and using that they are implementing one functionality, that is dynamic connection. No, so this is the implementation they are adding inside this editable template. That's it. And after that, by using this editable template, what they are doing, they are simply creating the pages. Got it? Simple. So first of all, we need to create a template type. Then only we can create a editable template. Okay, and once you have created editable template or template, you will give the policies. No, so this policies will store here. So basically, this is the template type folder structure. Store three things: templates, template types, and the policies. Somewhere you will see the thumbnail as well, but let it be. Okay, so this one is done now. Now first thing, what we have to create? Template type. So here internally, what is this? Now if I say I have created template type, no, folder structure I have created, and internally it has created the page only. This template type, this policy and template, these are nothing but the page. How we can recognize? CQ page. Simple. Okay, and all, if you have created the pages, so page related information it will store inside your JCR column content. In this it will store. Okay, now we have to create a template types. Now how we can create? Come here. We have already created a configuration browser. Now we have to go again there. Okay, this time here folder structure we have created. That's okay. Now we need to create a editable template. So you can just go inside the templates. Yeah, which name it is? Demo search. Demo search is our name, no? Now inside that, what I am doing, so if you try to create it, no, so it will create a editable template. It will ask the title and everything. But before that, here you see what it is showing. Two templates. We already knows that for creating a editable template, what we need? Template type. So this is the two out of the box template type it is showing. But the thing is, this is the magic. Here you see. Inside this demo search, this is my project, no, demo search. Come back, you will see what is this. This one is a demo search project, and I'm just trying to create it. See, and I'm just getting these template types. But inside my demo project, this is my inside this folder, I don't have any template type, but still it is coming. Okay, so who is doing this, all these stuff? Sling. We have one concept, that is Sling. Okay, we have a sling. So how sling it is executing is like this. So this is called as a template type resolution. Okay, so firstly it will check inside your conf folder. Okay, inside this conf we have created our own folder. Okay, and this one settings WCM and the template type. You will see this one, you will see this setting WCM template types everywhere. Okay, if you are not seeing, that means this template what execute. Got it? Okay, so first of all it will search inside your conf folder name. That means this is the configuration, this one is our folder name, and inside this template type it will search. If it is not fine, then it will go inside the conf, and here we have a global. So somewhere you will see inside the conf global. After the same folder structure setting, it should be like that. See what we have, setting. After the setting what we have, so yeah, it should be like that, but here we don't have. After the setting we don't have a WCM, so it won't go inside this. That's it. Okay, after that what we have a apps. Inside the apps you will see the settings. Where is the setting? Yeah, this one. Setting have a WCM have a template types, but inside this template type as well we don't have anything. So this is the template type, and this information will store here, and this one is related to a repository policy. Okay, so here also we don't have a template type, but from where it is coming this? See, we have a title and the description. So last we have, that is libs. Now we'll go there and check. Settings have a WCM have a template type, is it? Yeah, and inside this template type you will see this HTML5 page and the adaptive form page. Yeah, now still I am confused, so click here and see the details of this node. So all this information where it will store inside the JCR content. Click here and you will see this HTML5 page. Now go there and check where it is. This one, see, HTML5 page, and this one is a adaptive form, yeah, template. So you can just simply come here, adaptive form page, and information it will store inside the JCR data. See here, adaptive form template also we have everything. But now if I want to create my own editable template, how we can create it? So it's very complicated. See here, if you want to create your own editable template, you need this initial. Okay, after that JCR content and this information. After that here we have policies and the structure. So it's complicated, no? Yeah, so instead of that you can simply do one thing. Go inside the config, take any VRetail, okay, and after that you can just simply copy this one, WCM template types. You will see here we have a lot of template types, you can take any one. Yeah, so in this case I am just taking this redirect page, just copy, and where we need inside our own project, no, yeah, here, so you can simply paste it. Okay, so this is the redirect page. Okay, this is done. Now after that, when I'm just clicking here, okay, and here I have a JCR content. So inside that what it is saying, see, this is what page is also nothing but the component only. Okay, so this is initial, this page is created by using this page, by using this page component. This page it has created, but I don't want this. This is the thing, I don't want it. Why? Because we have our own component, no? Own project we have. Which one it is? Where is the apps? Apps have a search software, and you will see components, and inside the components somewhere you will see the page. Okay, so this is the page we have. You can just simply copy, come up, okay, here initial, this one. Instead of that you can simply paste this, and here we don't need this search. Is it okay? Now we got this, and for this structure as well we need to change. Okay, save the changes. Save the changes. For policies, I don't think so we don't need for the policies. That's okay, it will directly inherit it from this mapping. Okay, so this thing is done. Now just go there and try to refresh it. You will see another one, that is VRetail redirect page, because we have directly added, no, we have directly added in our project, so that's why we are saying. But if you want to change the title or something, then you can just go template type. This is the redirect, it's ours. Yeah, here you can go. Once you will go, you will see the JCI title. Template is okay. Yeah, we got this one. That's it. Now just click here, refresh it once, you will see the changes. Yeah, that's okay. After that you can next and just create your editable template. Okay, this is the editable template we are creating. Now just simply done. Okay, so why we are creating, everyone knows that. Why we are creating editable template? Simple, for creating a page. Okay, so right now is in draft state, so we have to enable it, otherwise you cannot create a page by using this template. So firstly enable it. Once you will enable, click here and just simply edit. Just simply edit. Okay, so here we don't have anything in this template, it's not in draft state anymore, it might already been referenced one or more pages, that's okay. So right now we are in the structure and we don't have anything here. That means they haven't added anything, so we need to add. So how we can add it? Go inside this, and here we have a page related policy. You can add from this. Okay, otherwise you can just simply do one thing, just create by using another template. So this one is ours, no, it doesn't have anything. Yeah, create by using this adaptive form field. Open it. Yeah, so you will see here already we have one drag and drop. That means by using that you can easily insert the components. Okay, and this component you will see inside the pages if you will create by using this template. And here also we have another container. So this one is the first. Okay, yeah. What is this? This is the layout container. This one is the first one. If you want to add another components, here you see. Now I'm just inserting it. Insert this many components you are saying. Okay, but if you want to add your own component, you can just click here. See, this is the parses component. Okay, this is the parses component. It is present inside a container. So we can give the permission to this container. So here this one represents your policies. What is this? Policy. Now if you want page related permissions or the component related permission, if you want to add it, then you can just simply click there, and here it is opening as a layout. Okay, layout. This layout container is nothing but the page only. Okay, and for this we have opened the policies. Now we know that all our component is stored inside the group only, and here we have given this 34 and here we have given this 5. If you want to add this ACS comments as well, you can just simply click here and save it. Now refresh once and try to insert it now. Now click here and try to insert. In the last you will see this ACS comments. That's it. If you want to add, then you can add it now. The same thing for this one as well. Okay, so once you will click inside this is a layout container. Click here, you will see three options. So first one is a policy, second one is a lock. Okay, so when you will unlock it, okay, so when you will unlock it, you will see this one, and the same thing you will get inside this initial content. Okay, inside this initial content you will get the same things. Okay, that means here you see we got this one. Now I am just locking this. Come inside this structure and try to lock this. Okay, now come here inside this initial content. You want see this parses component. See, yeah, this one is not this. I think this one is for the parses something. Okay, so first one we don't have. Okay, the first one, just go inside the structure. Now we have lock it, so that's why we are not seeing this component. Okay, this is the layout container we are not seeing, but when you will unlock it, wherever you will unlock, that time you will see all these stuffs inside your initial content. So what does it mean by the initial content now? Okay, so when you will unlock it, your component will come inside your initial content, and initially you can add the content inside this component. Okay, and this one will render to your resultant page. Yeah, here you can delete it, but when you are just writing in a structure anything, if you are inserting a component in a structure and you are not unlocking it, okay, that means this is the fix. No one can change it, no one can delete it. Got it? Yeah, and click here, and here we have a layout as well. So this one, here we have another parent layouts, I think so. Layout, what is there? Okay, so basically it's not giving a permission, but this is the layout. If you want to minimize this one, okay, if you want to minimize this one, then we use this layouts. Okay, here also we have options. If you want to reduce the length, if you want to reduce the width of this particular container, you can simply use this layout. It's not working. Let it be. Okay, go inside the structure. Still it is coming. Then you have to click on this emulators. It will go. Refresh once. That's okay. Let it be. Here we have a parent somewhere. Inside that we have to close the inheritance, then only we can reduce the width. Okay, let it be. Now I'm just giving a permission in this components. So first of all, text, I'm just adding text here. After the text you can add something like a image will add. Okay, so we have added image and everything. Now just go inside the initial content. So are you seeing this? No. Why? Yeah, exactly, because is in lock mode. So we have to unlock it. Just click on it and just simply unlock it. It's unlocking or not? It will ask for the permission, but it's not asking like. Okay, still we'll do one thing. We'll just go inside the initial content. Now you will see these two things. Okay, here you are seeing these two things, and now it's giving options to initially add the content inside your initial content mode. If you want, you can add here. Here we have a properties as well. You can just define it something if you want it. That's it. We have added the content. Now go inside the structure. Okay, so this thing is done. Now we have added the image and the text, and we have unlocked it as well. Okay, now by using this editable template, we'll try to create a page. How we can create it? So just simply come here. This one is in draft state. Keep in mind we have to enable it. Here sites we have. Inside this sites, here we have EN. Inside that I just want to create a page, so I'm just clicking on the create and the page. Okay, but you want to see your editable template. We need, for creating a page, what we need an editable template, no? But here it is showing by default, it's a default one, but we need our own. How we can give the permission? You can just simply click on it, go inside the properties, and once you will reach to the property, here you will see the advanced options. Not an advanced, I think so. Here only advanced. Inside the advanced, you will see, yeah. So here we have to give a permission. Then only we will go inside the. Then only we can create a page by using some specified templates. Okay. Here we have mentioned this already, setting templates and everything. Now which one is ours? This one, yeah. And we need a templates. Just refresh it first. You will see the templates. Now you can copy this. I have mistakenly pasted. We have to copy. Come here in the properties and simply paste it. That's it. Now remaining things, if you want entirely, you can copy this path, and here this is the expression language we have to add there. Okay, save. Now we are trying to create a page. Come here, US and EN, create and create a page. See, this time you got this editable template 2 and this editable template. So in this case we don't have a thumbnail. In our case, try to create a next and create a page. That's it. If you haven't mentioned the name, that's also okay. By default it will take this one. Okay, create. Now we have, what we have done, we have created the website. This is the one website we have created, or you can say we have created the page. Now try to open this. Yeah. What is this? Is there an option to skip? Where it is? Okay, here you see we have added in the text, and after that this is nothing but our image. You can easily configure it. So this is the thing, you can easily configure from here. In the left hand side it is showing, I think it's it's updated. Now here you can easily add the image. Just simply drag and drop and add an image. Do we have image here? Yeah, this is the image we have. Just open it. See, this image we have added. If you want a title, you can define title here. Alter text related to a SAP. That's it, and just save. Okay, we have done. Where is the right option, man? Yes. Yeah, that image came. See, this is the image. We got it. We got this image. If you again you want to edit it, you can edit. Now we'll see here. You can insert it as well. You can insert it. Okay, here we have a page information, and here open the properties. If you want to see the properties, you can see it from here. Okay, and we know that we have a two level of policies. First one is a component level and second one is a page level. So if you want to open as a component level, you can have to click here and just go inside this policies, and second one you can just come inside this editable template, click on the page information, and here we have options of the page policy. Come here. Does it create it using a static template? Bro, it's opening this one, bro. It's not good. Okay, I think mistakenly we have created by using this adaptive form fields. It's not opening. I think they have blocked this page policy. Okay, so we'll see container level policy. So just simply click here, open the policy. Yeah, here in the left hand side we have to give a title name, otherwise your policy will not save it. And here we have a lot of groups. If you want, you can give the permissions. And here we have a default components. If you need any default components, you can add inside this default components. Okay, and here we have a style. Initially, if you want the style, you can define inside this style. Okay.